Assalamu alaikum, dear student. How are you? I hope that all are fine. Today I am talking about state enterprise, chapter 4. What is state enterprise? The company formed, operate and controlled by the state are called state enterprise. This kind of business can be established by state, that means government. Name of the state enterprises. I have written here some state enterprises name. So if you read, then you understand what kind of business actually state enterprise. Bangladesh Chemical Industries Corporation, Bangladesh Jute Mill Corporation, Bangladesh Electricity Development Board, Titas Gas Transmission and Distribution Company Limited, Jivan Bima Corporation, Bangladesh Machine Tools Factory Gazipur, Bangladesh Television, Bangladesh Biman, Bangladesh Railway, Bangladesh Road Transport Corporation. State enterprises are established to ensure industrialization, employment generation, controlling money and banking system, proper uses and distribution of the all assets including natural resource and public welfare in some specific sectors. So actually as like a Bangladesh bank controlling money, it is also state business, also state enterprise. Now I am talking about characteristics of state enterprise business. Okay. First time, if you have concept about it, characteristics of the business, then you easily realize that it is what kind of business. I taught you sole proprietorship business. So when a person run a business is called sole proprietorship business. So what is the characteristics? The a person. So I easily realize that it is sole proprietorship business. Also partnership business, when more than two partners and maximum 20% person run a business is called partnership business. So what is the characteristics here? 2 or maximum 20%. So also the state enterprises have some unique characteristics. Okay, number 1, the state enterprise are formed by the ordinance of the head of the state and passing bill in the national parliament. Besides, this type of business can also be formed by nationalization by the state ordinance. So when government established a state enterprise, that time the need permission from the head of the state. Who is the head of the state? Our honorable president, also honorable prime minister. Number 2, the ownership of the state enterprise belongs to the state and government supplies all the required capital. But in some cases, the partial amount of share can be sold to the public. In that cases, suppliers of capital are government and public. So, state business capital also supplies government and public, because the government when provide the capital, that means the government invest capital to the state business. But sometimes government think that okay, I want to sell share of the state business. Okay, government easily sell to public share of state business. This type of business is from under specific law and has legal and separate entity. Because of legal entity and separate entity, the state has eternal entity. So first time also, if you have idea about an entity, so you understand easily actually legal status, right, like a person being in the non-personal entity. So company is legally formed, it has legal personality. Company independently can enter into any contract. It can do transaction and can make legal actions if necessary. So the estate business also has eternal entity. This kind of business continue always time. Like other business, the object of state enterprise is not earning or maximization of profit, the public welfare or public service. It is main object. What is the main object of the state enterprise? State enterprise main object is public welfare, not making profit. Okay, the profit of the state business is deposit to the government treasury and is spent for public welfare. If a state business earn profit, okay, where deposit this profit government treasury and is spent for the public welfare, as like a developing of road, also developing any kind of industry. For the success or failure of the enterprise, the government is accountable to the parliament. Okay, I hope that you understand, dear student. Also, you read carefully your textbook. Also, you try to make some MCQ question from here. Inshallah, next video I will provide a CQ and I solve the CQ. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.